Picture this, a morning in Trinidad and Tobago, where the aroma of a quintessential street food fills the air. Enter doubles, a breakfast unlike any other. Born from the vibrant mix of Indian and Caribbean cultures, doubles is a delectable dance of flavors on your palate. It begins with curried chickpeas, simmered to perfection, delicately spiced and brimming with a rich, earthy taste. Then comes the bara, two pieces of fried flatbread, golden and crispy on the outside, soft and fluffy on the inside. Nestled between these bara, the chickpeas find their home, creating a sandwich that's as comforting as it is exciting. But the symphony of flavors doesn't stop there. Doubles is often adorned with chutneys, each adding their own unique twist. Tangy tamarind, refreshing cilantro, even sweet mango. The choice is yours. And for those who like it hot, a dash of pepper sauce brings everything together. It's a breakfast that's more than a meal, it's an experience. So next time you're in Trinidad and Tobago, remember to start your day the doubles way.